Are you gonna do your move? Are you gonna do... Yes! He tries it again. That's the only move he likes to do. He likes to swirl around. There it is again. Move. What's with the move? Why do you like doing that so much? Is it fun? Don't tell me he's gonna do it again. He can't be serious. She's blink. Did old man Moo take over? I feel like what happens sometimes is she'll get like a bit tense because she's losing, and he'll realize that she doesn't like it as much. We'll go away and then kind of taunt her to play more. You guys have such a good relationship. That's it. That would have been tension, but it isn't. Catnip you guys got earlier. You didn't eat it all. That sucks. Say bye, Moo. Ooh, look at that face. Say bye-bye, Moo. No.